All right, we should have driven this yesterday, but we got our awesome hotel coming. 30-minute ride to try, Matt. You know I didn't pronounce that right. And 30 minutes back with the 30-minute rest in between, or you could probably do hour and a half at Try Matt, which I don't even know what it is, but we will look it up.
Try.
We should have rode this train yesterday. 30-minute ride. Actually, you can just sit there for 30 minutes and get right back on and come back. Okay. Free artichoke tea. All right. Interesting.
Kinh tế xã hội đất nước. Mô hình tổ chức Tổng công ty đường sắt Việt Nam là doanh nghiệp do Thủ tướng Chính phủ quyết định thành lập. Nhà nước nắm 100% vốn điều lệ với chức năng nhiệm vụ chính đó là quản lý, bảo trì, khai thác, kinh doanh kết cấu hạ tầng đường sắt, chế tạo, đóng mới, lắp ráp phương tiện, vật tư chuyên ngành đường sắt, cung cấp dịch vụ điều hành giao thông vận tải quốc gia, kinh doanh vận tải đường sắt, vận tải liên vận quốc tế.
We'll have the pictures. I don't know what year, made of wood. But 30-minute ride, you can ride. I wish I'd have done it 30 minutes back. I gotta see the train that actually comes in here. Look at the gauge of this track. And that other one isn't any bigger. I'd definitely like to see the real train before we leave. At the Dalat train station. Now this is a real live steam engine. Dalat Plateau. I love old things. VIP seating right here. This is for the regular people. Look at the ceiling. Cool. Oh, we should have rode this train. Look at the gauge it runs on. This would have definitely been where the action was. When we were coming in here, you didn't get to see it, but this would have definitely been Old Town. Because wherever the railroad was, that was the money. I just want to get a video of the train that I wish I would have ridden on. 30 minutes one way, and then a 30-minute break and 30 minutes back. Or you could stay there and come back whenever you wanted. But anyway, we're running out of time. I want to get to my beautiful motel. We were down here somewhere lost. I can't believe you couldn't see the train station. This would have certainly been big money. Well, you know that big money right there. But no, I mean long time ago. This is all new.